Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me. Just a quick follow-up to my earlier video on selecting hand planes for tasks. And if you're looking for stock preparation planes, then you're going to want to have a plane and two cutting irons or two blades. The reason I say that is because if your first plane is going to do double duty or possibly triple duty, stock prep, smoothing, and jointing. Okay, so if you go out and you buy a number 5, whether it's an old one and you restore it or whether it's a brand new one, the story is the same. You want to have two blades. One you're going to sharpen nearly perfectly straight across. You're going to add a little bit, and that's a technical term, of camber on each side. That's only so that if you choose to use your plane as a smoother, you don't get plane tracks. Now, if you use your plane as a jointer, you're going to be using the center section, which is going to be straight across. No problem. But if you want to do stock preparation, you need to have a blade with more camber. So this one is a little bit more than what I want, but I'm not throwing away steel, so I'm slowly working it flat. And the key to this and to it working is you want to set your chip breaker up. Let me see if I can get it in the light here. Okay. You want to set your chip breaker up so that the corner of the chip breaker is just behind the corner of the sharp cutting edge. You see that here and here? Just behind. And the ideal exposure of the cutting edge is about a 32nd. I'm a little bit heavier than that. I'm about a 64th over that. It's not quite a 16th of an inch. So that's my suggestion. That's my recommendation. You have yourself a straight across iron with a slight camber, and then you want to have a cambered iron. Now, if you can get set up to where you have two chip breakers, that's great. But if you can't, just do the blades. All right. I've gathered these over the years, and these will fit both my number 4 and my number 5. So I can do anything. I can joint with my number 5, I can smooth with my number 5, and I can do stock prep. Do the same thing with the number 4. So I can have either one set up to do both tasks. Any questions? Leave it down in the comment section. But that's what I do. And I just wanted to clarify that. It's not cambered like a scrub plane. It's just a gentle camber across that front. That makes it so that you can go across the grain, you can do stock prep with this, and you can move some wood. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.